There's always that one machine in the creator's journey, not the flagship, not the powerhouse, not the one reviewers obsessed over, but the one that finally let you breathe. For me, that machine was the HP ProDesk, a quiet, unassuming office box that stepped in when everything else was falling apart. Let's take a look at that, shall we? Before the ProDesk, everything was chaos. Windows crashed, USB stacks failed, power supply dipped, editing timelines corrupted at the worst possible moments, and then this little office machine shows up like, I'm not fancy, but I'm here, let's get back to work. It wasn't fast, it wasn't modern, but it was stable. And stability is oxygen when you're rebuilding your workflow from scratch. The ProDesk didn't magically become perfect, you made it perfect. BIOS turned like radio dials, SSD installed surgically, dust cleared from every vent, network stacked optimized until the gremlins finally shut up. Every tweak was a step toward sovereignty. Every adjustment whispered the same message. Your tools don't define you, your persistence does. This is when the digital, personal digital sovereign identity locked in. That blue electronic burst background, clean, sharp, unmistakably yours. It became the visual anchor for your channel, a signal, the flag planted in the digital ground saying, this is sovereign space. And the ProDesk handled it like a champ. No shutters, no crashing, just smooth, predictable rendering. Captions just accessibility. Weren't just accessibility, they were retention. Suddenly viewers stayed longer. Your pace tightened, your storytelling landed harder, and the ProDesk, it just rendered them every time. No drama, no overheating, just work getting done. This is the part nobody talks about. When your workstation stops fighting you, your creativity comes back. You stop worrying about crashes, you stop worrying about corrupt timelines, you stop worrying about losing a day's work. You just create, and that's what ProDesk gave me, freedom. This isn't a video about the HP ProDesk. It's a video about persistence, about rebuilding, about refusing to quit, about making something meaningful that with whatever tool you have. The ProDesk didn't define personal sovereignty error. I did. So here's to the workstation that wasn't supposed to matter, but ended up mattering more than anything. The HP ProDesk error. The machine that let me breathe, the machine that let me rebuild, and the machine that helped me define personal sovereignty identity. And the reminder that follows you into the future projects. Your tools don't define you, your persistence does. Like, follow, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.